Pleat, pleat, pleat. Hi guys, I'm Mommy Zai, and what's her name? And welcome to
Craftoona!
Today, we will be showing you how to create your own DIY magnetic bookmarks. We have chosen 3 Bible verses and we have created a typography out of it, and we will also be showing you how to create your own design using Canva.
Good, yes. Yummy, yes. Hi.
The first one is from Isaiah 41:13, and here's a typography that we have designed for you for free. You may download the file on the link provided below. Also created another design, and we will be adding background later. And now, we will be showing you how to create your own design using Canva. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Ready, get set, go! hope na nag-enjoy po kayo sa ating DIY project for today.
Yes.
And if nagustuhan niyo po ang content, please give us a thumbs up. Please! Ano ba yan? Utod ka?
Yes.
Please also support us by subscribing to our channel and click that notification bell for you to get notified once we upload our next video. You may also visit our channel for you to check out more of our DIY projects and free printable templates and designs. Please also follow and like our Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest accounts. Till our next DIY projects, bye!
Finish.
Finish!